What's going on, guys? Another week, another video. So in today's review, we'll be going over BYLT's training shorts. I have them in camo as well as black. So BYLT is mainly known for their t-shirts, and I do have a video review on those. And within that video, I have a link in the description that gives you $10 off 50. And every time someone uses that, I get points. So I have a bunch of points right now, and I've been wondering what I should spend them on. So I figured I would give these shorts a try. I also got the button-down shirt, which I'm going to make another video on. I think I'm going to post 2 this week. So really excited to try that. I'll also put that link in the description of this video if you guys wanted to use that. But with that, let's get started with my thoughts on BYLT's training shorts. So as you guys saw, I picked these up in camo, and I also got them in black. They are listed at $75, so in my opinion that's a little bit steep, but because I got the free points, I went ahead and ordered these. Of course, I'll be rating these out of 10 based on my 3 criteria, which are in the description below. So let's go ahead and get started with my thoughts. So I just want to show you guys what they look like up close. Some pretty good details. They have their performance fabric that they're using on these shorts. They also have a couple shirts in this as well. They have the metal rings here. They all have that distinctive rubber BYLT. And to be honest, like, this was something I'm not that crazy about. I don't know if I really like the logo. That's the reason why I chose the camo and the black, is because it didn't stand out as much on these 2 pairs. Like, I liked the gray pair, but it was just like sticking out like a sore thumb on the gray pair, so that's why I went with these 2. So inside here, on the inside they do both have liners, so I'll be trying both of them on. Here's what they look like on the inside. It's nice and stretchy. It's pretty thick, the material, so this definitely feels high quality. One thing I didn't really like is these strings. They see how they're like, I feel like I need to iron them or something. They're kind of just like scraggly. I didn't even do anything yet. These are brand new and it's fraying already. The second thing I didn't really like about them, and I feel like this is just me being really picky and most people wouldn't care, is that they like kind of get wrinkled, and it's one of those pairs of shorts where you could see it pretty good in the black. And you know, I could like iron it, but it's just that material that would get wrinkled if I left it in the dryer for a little bit too long, so not a huge deal. And the third thing, which is the main problem I have with these shorts, is this liner right here. It's really rough against your skin, and being that these have the liner on the inside, you're obviously supposed to wear them without underwear, right? And when you put it on, it like, this part like scratches you. I don't know if it's these little lines right here, but it's really uncomfortable. So I've had to wear my underwear and then wear these, which is kind of like annoying because I want to be able to enjoy this liner right here because it's such a good liner. It's really thick and I like it. Okay, so I'm done being a negative Nancy, so let's talk about the things that I do like. I do like the material. I think it's a really good material for shorts. It's really stretchy on its own, probably just as stretchy as the internal liner. It feels high quality. They have a bunch of pockets and zipper pockets. So right here on the left, there is a regular pocket, and it goes pretty deep. And I'm going to try these on so you guys can see it a little bit better, but then there is this zipper pocket as well. It's pretty big, and I could fit a good portion of my hand in there. On the right, there's just a regular pocket. In the back, you have another zipper pocket here. And the zipper feels nice and high quality. Pretty decent sized pocket in the back. I liked that these black pair had a green liner. I thought that was really cool. Okay, so here we have the forest camo with the black liner. And you guys, I already know my legs are jacked, so You don't have to let me know that in the comments. Okay, and here we have the black with the green liners. Did want to show you the pocket depth. It's pretty good. Again, very, very stretchy. Awesome. Really, really good for training. I worked out in these. I know you could see the tag still on them, but I did work out on them today. I haven't taken the tag off just because at first I was like unsure if I was going to end up keeping them because of how uncomfortable this liner was. Okay, so now for the ratings. First we have fit, and out of 4 points, I'm giving them a 3.2. I just measured the inseam and it is 6 inches if you guys were wondering. For me, I think a perfect fit is like 7. So I wish it was just a little tiny bit longer, but it is a pretty decent fit. In addition to that, I wish that the shorts were like a little bit more slim. I think they're a little too wide. That's just my opinion. Maybe people like it a little wide like that, but I just prefer that it was a little more slim, kind of like my Oliver shorts. For comfort, I'm giving them a 2.1 out of 3. Again, just because it's really, it like scratches you at the waist when you're putting those on, and it's just not comfortable. And the fact that I have to wear underwear and then put those on, it's just kind of uncomfortable, so I'm giving them a 2.1. And for style, I'm giving them a 2.3 out of 3. Again, I'm really not that big of a fan of that like silicone circle, so I could do without that. And you know, they're shorts, so how stylish can they really be if they're training shorts? So 2.3 out of 3, and that gives them a total of 7.6 out of 10. So do I think that these are worth $75? In my opinion, probably not. I think maybe like 40, I think would be a fair price. I really would hope that they would fix that interior liner just to make it more comfortable, because if you're paying $75, I mean, these things should be extremely comfortable, last a lifetime, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's a really expensive short. If anyone else has tried these, go ahead and put it in the comments. I want to know if you feel the same that I do, or if I'm just being like a little baby about it. Hopefully this video has helped you out a little bit. If you can subscribe, I would really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for my next video, which is going to be on the BYLT Executive Drop Cut, which is their button down, and I like this a lot more than I like these shorts, so stay tuned for that, and thanks again for watching.